Lesson 1.9, patterns, equations, and graphs is the official lesson. But we're basically going to work on one thing, and that is talking about a solution of an equation and how to know if an ordered pair is a solution to an equation. So first of all, a little definition up there. Solution of an equation with two variables, x and y, is any ordered pair. Okay, so when we talk about a solution of an equation, we're talking about an ordered pair. Ordered pair being parenthesis x comma y parenthesis, right? So if it is a solution to the equation, it makes the equation true. We did a little bit of this last week. I started to say last week like this is Monday. This is so not Monday. On Tuesday. We did a little bit of this on Tuesday, but then it was just an x and just putting that one variable in. Now it's 2. So, look at the first example. Tell whether the given equation has the ordered pair as the solution. So does negative 5, negative 20 make this equation true or not? Now, big deal. What do you have to know about an ordered pair? What's the order in an ordered pair? What always comes first?
Oh, well, if there's, multiplication. Right?
No, not. You're thinking of order of operations. I'm talking about in an ordered pair. So, as in negative 5 is the what value? And negative 20 is the what value?
So negative 5 is x.
Yeah. In the ordered pair, it's x comma y. So the first number is always x. The second number is always y. Easiest way to remember that, alphabetical, right? X, Y, Z. So first number is x, second number is y. So as we're trying to figure out if this is true, y equals 4 times x. So what do I put in for y? And for y, I'm going to put the, which is y? Negative 20. So negative 20 equals 4x. So 4 times, what's x?
4 times negative 5.
4 times negative 5. So I just carried each piece down, right? What is, negative 20 is negative 20. What is 4 times negative 5?
Negative 20.
Is it negative 20?
Yeah.
4 times 5 is 20, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. A positive times a negative is a negative. So, is negative 5, negative 20 a solution?
Yes.
Yeah, this came out to be a true statement. So yes, it's a solution. That's really the main thing we're talking about today. It goes right along with 1.8. In fact, I could have just taught it with 1.8, but I decided to make it separate. Okay, let's try the next one. Y equals x plus 8, and my ordered pair is 8, 0. What do you know about that ordered pair? X is first. So this is going to be xy. Okay, so y equals x plus 8. What am I putting in for y? 0. Equals x. What am I putting in for x? 8. And there's already a plus 8. I already see the shaking of the head no. Honestly, do you even have to know what 8 plus 8 is here?
No.
Not really. 8 plus 8, is that 0?
It's already above 8.
Yeah, it's 8, and you're adding another 8. So unless that's 8 plus negative 8, it's not going to work, is it? 8 plus 8 is actually, did anyone come up with it?
Are you wanting the answer?
Yeah.
Oh, 16.
16.
I didn't know she wanted the answer.
Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16, so 0 does not equal 16. So is 8, 0 a solution?
Nope.
No.
We all sat here like.
I'm like, seriously, guys? Come on.
I didn't know what you were talking about.
Okay. Okay, let's look at this next example. It's a little bit different, but still pretty easy. First of all, in the ordered pair, I'm going to ask this every time, so I'm trying to get this locked into those brains up there. What's the order in that ordered pair? X, Y. So, my recommendation is fill in the number. What do I put in for Y?
7.
7 equals, now, negative X says, okay, you're doing the negative of whatever the X value is, or the opposite of that X value. So we're doing the negative of what's X? Negative 7. What is the opposite, or what's the negative of negative 7?
7.
7. Or in other words,
Such.
the opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. You could also think a negative times a negative is a positive 7. Does it work? Yeah, 7 equals 7. So is negative 7, 7 a solution? Why, certainly. Yes, it is. Okay. One more. X divided by negative 3 equals Y. My ordered pair is 2, negative 6. You guys know what I'm going to do first, aren't I? What do I know about this ordered pair? X, Y. It's your alphabet, right? Go alphabetical. So, fill it in. X, what am I putting in for X?
2.
2 over negative 3 equals Y, which is negative 6.
False.
Does 2 divided by negative 3 equal negative 6? No. That's negative 2/3. That's a decimal. So, does this work?
No.
No, and there's not even really any simplifying you can do to show that. It just doesn't work. Okay, guys. That's what I got for you.
I was fast.
I know. The good news is you get work time. Oh, you know what? I probably need to open the lesson. Sorry. So, lesson 1.9 in Math Excel is what you need to work on. And then other than that, I want you to make sure all other Math Excels are caught up, right?